A lot of students, when they come to the farm, they're wanting to understand what their values are in relationship to the more than human world. And farming is an avenue for us to explore that. When students come here, they're asked to be their full selves when they're here. They're asked to do physical work, to not just sit in a lecture class. They're asked to contribute.
You're building this connection to the land that you're farming on, but you're doing it with everyone, and it just becomes such a tightly knit community.
And I think this is a cool space to be able to slow down and be able to learn and teach.
The ability to work hands-on and the ability to make mistakes. This is a student farm. A lot of the food is grown for production to go to the food bank or to other organizations. But yeah, I feel it's just that ability to just come in and start working right away.
It's a comfortable place to be, and it doesn't feel as anxiety-inducing as sometimes sitting in a giant lecture hall and being nervous to raise your hand can sometimes feel. And so, first and foremost in my pedagogy is community building.
It's all a learning experience, but also it's everything bonds you very close to the people that you're learning with.
They're asked to intellectually engage. They're asked to be a friend and be a colleague and a peer to the other students that they're working alongside.
It's nice to feel like you're doing a little bit of service and helping out to a farm that is pretty special and has given a lot of people career paths.
You're growing food for your community. That's basic, that's fundamental. Being able to do that here in Missoula, apart from getting credits and all that stuff, yeah, it's just coming here and then, the energy that you get from everybody around here is very good.
Yeah, people who are curious about food systems and they're talking about them in their class, I want to challenge them to come out here and do a semester with us and get their hands in the dirt.